I'm Vicky. I'm here to help make travel feel easier and less stressful after 60. I share simple iPhone tips, easy AI travel planning, and step by step help that you can count on and actually follow. No rushing, no tech jargon, just practical help, practical travel tips to make you feel more confident before and after your trip. Traveling after 60 should feel exciting, not overwhelming. The hard parts can feel confusing, but between your phone, reservations, maps, boarding passes, and planning details, it can start to feel like a lot. With my channel, you get simple help one step at a time. That's why this channel gives you simple iPhone travel tips, easy AI travel planning, and step by step help you can actually follow. My channel is for older people who want to have confidence using their iPhone and AI for travel planning. Here's an example of an iPhone demo I did. Now, feature 5 is share your location on travel day. And you can do it two different ways with iPhone or using a different kind of phone like Android. But I'm going to show you the iPhone demo today. You will open the Find My app. So I'm just going to swipe down again and go Find My in the search. I'm going to click on top left for Find My. Okay, so now people come up. And all I need to do is start sharing location. And I pick somebody that has an iPhone. So I don't want to reveal my contacts, so I'm going to leave that empty. So all you have to do is pick somebody and do the check mark up in the top right corner. With my videos, there's no rushing, no tech talk, just practical help for older travelers who want to feel more confident before and during a trip. Please subscribe for simple travel help.